Good afternoon, colleagues. Asanteni kwa kuja. Good to see you. We are at the NCPB depot in Kisii County. Behind me, of course, you can see farmers lining up, confirming their details, and receiving their fertilizer through the government's fertilizer subsidy program. I'll give an update of the subsidy program shortly. First, to notify you that President William Ruto will tomorrow, 23rd March 2023, begin a 3-day walking tour of Kisii and Nyamira counties and Kuria East and West constituencies. The President will inspect and commission several projects in line with the government's bottom-up economic transformation agenda. During his tour of the region, the President will launch the upgrading of the 33.3-kilometer Gekano-Rigoma-Amabuko Road, the upgrading of the Nyabohanse-Kumumwamu Road, and Nyaburu-Oboke-Ragwe roads. President Ruto will also commission the Kagati Water Project in Kisii, and throughout the tour, the working trip, he will hold several meetings with the people, of course, and the leadership of the region. Let me also take this opportunity to update you on key programs under the government's bottom-up economic transformation plan, which prioritizes, of course, reducing the cost of living, creating jobs, improving our foreign exchange, increasing revenues, and of course ensuring inclusive growth. So why are we here today at the NCPB depot?